Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. It's Courtney Lynn. Today's video is a little bit different in the fact that I've never filmed a Christmas baking video for you guys before, but we decided to have a fun girls' day, just being together and baking and talking and reminiscing. So I thought I might as well bring you guys along and show you some of the fun and easy desserts that we made today. So let's get started in just a moment.
In Christmas times.
So as we got to Heather's house, she had a cute little welcome sign by the front door and her little Mickey Mouse wreath was adorable. She had put out these little baking mitts and little pot holders with little spatulas for us to use that day, a little coffee area. Everything was just so perfect and ready for us to have a great day. So the first thing that I'm going to be making today are these Samoa truffles. And if you've ever had a Girl Scout Samoa Caramel Delight cookie, you will know that they are just so to die for. Like, I love those. Well, we found this recipe that is kind of like that, but it's in a truffle form. So these are the things that you'll need for it. You'll need coconut flakes, vanilla wafers, sweetened condensed milk, dulce de leche, I think I'm saying that right, and then chocolate for melting. So the first thing that I did is I dumped the sweetened condensed milk and the dulce de leche into a bowl together. And then you're going to take the vanilla wafers and you're going to crush those up like nobody's business. Crush them up completely. Add the coconut flakes, which you'll need to toast beforehand, and then just start mixing all of that together. And I started to mix this by hand and it was a great workout. So if you haven't worked out for the day, you won't need to after you mix this up, because with the dulce de leche and the sweetened condensed milk, it is a great workout. So next time I'll definitely use an electric mixer. And then you just take a little scooper. I'm using a cookie scoop and I'm just scooping them out, laying them on parchment paper. Then once I finish with that, you just pop them into the freezer for about 30 minutes and let them harden. And then once you pull them out of the freezer, you're just gonna dip them in chocolate and then drizzle chocolate over the top. And that is seriously it. And let me just tell you right now, these were gone within a couple days of me making them. So I'm just warning you. If you're wanting to like start that New Year's resolution where you cut back and you don't eat all the bad stuff, don't make these, because once you make them, you'll want to keep making them over and over. So that is your fair warning, but seriously guys, try these out. They're so easy and they're so good.
Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday
So while I was making the Samoa truffles, Kristen and Sherry were making Christmas toffee, and I have typed out this whole recipe in the description box below, but it's really easy. Half a cup of sugar, half a cup of butter, melted together, and then you pour it into a round pan, and then you sprinkle chocolate chips on top, and then you sprinkled crushed up almonds, and you let that harden in the fridge, and you take it out and you chop it up, and that is seriously it. So easy, but it's really, really good. Also one of those addicting desserts.
He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before as they walk from house to house.
So the last recipe that I am going to be sharing with you guys today is my great grandma's fudge recipe, which is very similar to the C's candy fudge recipe that I found on the internet, so I will link that for you guys. But here I am just mixing butter and sugar together, and then in a minute, once that comes to a boil, I'm going to add in chocolate chips and let that melt, and then I'm also going to be adding in some marshmallow cream.
But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I'm trying to tell you in every way. Yeah,
Then we also added in some pecans, and of course that is completely optional. Once that was all mixed together, we just went ahead and poured it into the pan, and then you just make sure it's all spread out evenly and let it harden. And that is seriously it. So yummy.
always got you on my mind, but I know this time.
Well guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you will try at least one of the 3 recipes that I've shared today. My favorite out of all 3 was definitely the Samoa truffles, so give those a try. If you try any of the recipes, please be sure to comment down below. Let me know if you liked them, or you can find me over on Instagram at Courtney's_Lens, and you can let me know there as well. Thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel for more content coming soon. Have a Merry Christmas, guys. See you next time.
Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas.